Our course title is Computer Application Package. So our topic is graphic image. A graphic representation such as a picture, map, or graph. So the picture graph is a visual representation of data using images instead of bar lines, where each image on the graphs correspond to a specific quality used especially for illustration. An illustration is a decoration, interpretation of a text, concept, or process of designing for integration. So let's take a look of pictorial image. A pictorial image is created by a computer for display on the screen of a digital devices. Those digital devices can be a cell phone, a tablet, or desktop. So we can be able to view an images on the screen of those digital devices with the help of pictorial image. Let's take a look of graphic image diagram. So graphic image refers to visual image or design created or displayed on a screen or printed on a physical medium. Graphics are used to communicate information conveniently. In terms of this image, we are to see that with the help of those graphics, we will be able to view the output of the graphic, which passes message to individual. This is an image of a long buildings. With the help of this drawing, it shows that individual will be able to know that this drawing can either be a house or an organization. So with the help of this second diagram, it is also a drawing of a person, which they use with different colors. They are all in terms of graphics with help of our digital devices. It has some colors that we can be able to paint our designs or our drawing. So that's the essence of graphics image. It provides an images that can pass message or information to individuals. So types of digital graphics images. We have PNG, which is known as portable network graphic. It is a raster image file format that supports comparison and also lay a different background to create a natural look for individual. So we also have the second one, which is known as GIF, graphics interchange format. It is a computer file that can contain a still or animated images which can be posted on social media for meme, jokes, and reactions. So those memes and reactions can be in form of cartoon or emojis that are used on social media handle to pass information or message to individual. So we have TIFF, which is known as tag image file format. It is a popular choice for photographers, graphic artists, and the publishing industry. They normally use it to provide an significant output of their designs. So we have JPEG, which is known as Joint Photographic Experts Group. It's an international organization that creates and maintains digital images and standards so that individuals will be able to have access to quality photographs. We have AI, which is known as artificial intelligence. Is a field on a computer science that enable machines to learn and to behave as a human being. Especially with the help of AI, they can be designed with an intellectual abilities and tasks to fulfill that individual will be able to also fulfill. So we have SVG, which is known as scalable vector graphics. It's a vector image format that can be used to create two-dimensional graphics images. Advantages of graphic image: enhance brand identity. With the help of graphic image, you can advance the identity of those images by being consistent across all channels and by understanding how to increase your image's quality so that it can draw individual attention. So we have efficiently communication ideas. Individuals that are in that field have to be committed in having new updates and ideas so that they can enhance their image product. We have enhanced user experience. Individual having access to use them easily have access to new content and features. Then possibility of creativity. It provides chances for individual to create new images due to different items and designs that are available. So engagement, it provides access for individual to a quality time to design different types of pictures so that they will be able to arrive to the highest destination. Disadvantages of graphic images: 1. They can be expensive to produce. They require specialized skills and software which can be difficult to find. Most systems does not have extra storage that will be able to install those applications, so they can be time consuming to create. They can be difficult to change or updated once they are created, and so on. This is graphic interchange format, GIF, or graphics interchange format is a small animated image file that is often used on the internet mostly. Those animated image file, as we can see on the screen, it is a cartoon that will be able to move from one place to another. So the GIF, which is graphic interchange format, are commonly used to express emotions or for fun on social medias. So let's take a look of how GIF works, which is graphic interchange format. It creates a series of frames that repeat to create an movement of effect from one place to another, which is the animated effect. So the GIF are limited to about 256 colors, so they can achieve photographic quality. They have 256 colors that individual will be able to use so that they can provide a quality graphics of images. So the GIF are well suited for web images because they are small, portable, and they can be attached with animated so that it will make the image more important. So GIF, which is known as graphic interchange format, are often used for small graphics on website and emails. So how to create GIF? You can use a graphic interchange format animated maker like Canva to create GIF online. You can also use Photoshop to create graphic interchange format so that you'll be able to have a significant and quality images. So usage of this GIF, which is known as graphic interchange format, they are often shared on social media or embedded, which is stored in other digital content so that it will make the images more advanced. So the GIF are better suited to graphics and logos featuring sharp lines and edge. They can also provide sharp lines, edge, and logos which can be in form of icons on a graphics.